Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can enable or disable read receipts for messages you send to your contacts and friends on Microsoft Teams. So let us get started. Head over to your Microsoft Teams account and head over also to the chat section in the top left corner. You may access Microsoft Teams, for example, via the web application or the desktop app installed on your device. So guys, what you want to do is click into these three dots in the top right to access your account settings here, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+. And after that, simply click into privacy here to the left. And from here, simply enable or disable the read receipts here to the right, just like that. And that's it. Now, if you turn this read receipts off, your contacts and friends you have chats with here on Microsoft Teams won't see that you have read their messages, and vice versa when they have seen yours. And that's basically it, guys. You may anytime re-enable it anytime here to the right. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.